The Red Magic 7S and 7S Pro are both powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. Both models have a built-in cooling fan which not only keeps the chipset running at optimal temperatures, it also helps to cool the charging system and battery. 7S has several memory configurations to choose from: 8GB, 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256 or 512 of UFS 3.1 storage. The Pro model goes up a notch: 12GB, 16GB, 18GB of RAM and 256, 512 or 1TB of storage. The Red Magic 7S starts at $600 for the 8 128GB model. Version 12 256GB costs $714, and the transparent Deuterium Transparent Edition version costs $15 more than that. The Red Magic 7S Pro starts at $775 for the 12 256GB model. Bumblebee Transformers Edition Collection Set 16 plus 5 12GB at $969. Two Deuterium transparent versions are available, black and white, which are $15 more. Again, the 16 512GB memory configuration is available with the Deuterium design only. Red Magic teased that the 7S Pro is coming soon to the international market. The vanilla model is not, seemingly. For the 7th series, that happened in April, a couple months after releasing in China. There will be some accessories like the turbo cooler in grey and transparent for $30 and the Red Magic magnetic cooler for $45.